Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix error code LS-0009 on Fortnite. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up Epic Games, then go to library, then look for the Fortnite, and then what you need to do here, do not press launch button but 3 dots. Then you need to go to manage and then verify files. So maybe your files is corrupted and need to be fixed, so go ahead and do so, right? Next thing, if the game is still not working, just completely close Epic Games from your system tray as well. Then you just need to write run, hit OK, and then just write percent local update percent. Then look for Epic Games Launcher, and then go to saved, and then you just need to delete this folder here, web cache. Delete that, run Epic Games as admin. And you need to look then if Fortnite is working for you or not. If it's not working, what I suggest to do here is to just go to library. This error is just related to installation process, right? So what you need to do here is to press 3 dots, uninstall, and then reinstall Fortnite again, and probably it should work, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.